Right now, we are inside the AI revolution with ChatGPT. So,
Yes.
what do you think about that?
So about AI, we already use ChatGPT. We also have, by the way, developers who actually can create own AI. And currently, all juniors cannot find a new work, a new job, so they can return to learn next. And this is actually good for us because with ChatGPT, we already don't need the like junior developers and developers of the starter level. So currently compatible and like people who want to get a job, it's have more higher requirements. And if in the game development you can only like change color of the buttons, so currently this is not work. If you don't have specific skill set, you can paint on the street walls, I guess, if this is not automated yet. Because I'm not familiar with this, because you know, like on night it's nothing was, but on the next day it's all wow in the paint. Juniors cannot do this job very fast, as we see in the past. So, but ChatGPT can this in 10 minutes. So for us, it's actually good because more bigger like level of entrance, it's like more professionals, developers inside, and it's of course more like specific achievements like how to say, like respectness and all of this around the world about the developers itself. Of course, we like mad developers. We expect that AI change everything and replace everybody. But in our generation, this is not will be happen.
Okay.
This what we believe. Yes, in the developing AI, so we have very deep experience. So one of our engineer, it's actually work in the Amazon, and he work under this Bell projects, what you can find on the Amazon.
Yes.
So this is very nice. I also can say some insight that the most difficult side for this Bell is actually detect people under the masks. This was the most challenging thing. If you want go with AI trend and you think you can achieve it, you need to understand that AI much more expensive than graphical renderer. And if you will train your own network, so you need very big database set, and you need have big performance, and this performance you can or buy and assemble itself in home, or just renting out in the different companies, and you can also rent in AWS, for example, for it, for done these calculations. But this will be expensive. You need to understand this.
Wow. Do you like which one is better, ChatGPT or Google Bard? Which AI tool do you
you know, they like no ChatGPT for regular user, yes, but from technical side, they just created for fixing like different tasks, and we cannot say what's better one because currently not all functional what actually Amazon did actually provide to user, because for provide to user you need have a lot of testing, because AI and problem of any neural network is about create sense in the points where you don't have sense. So in this case, you need test a lot of cases and find this what actually abstraction level was right or not correct, or it's affected. This is a more like more scary tema, because the scare tema is this, that you cannot verify your source and source what actually your AI can provide to you as a result. But AI completely provides to you very real data.
Yes.
But this data can have like some distortions. And these distortions you need find why this distortion happened and fix it. So basically, with power of Amazon, I guess they have a lot of calculated something, but only like few parts, only what we see. But this is not the exception for the Bing. Bing is really stupid network currently. I'm not believe what this is actually at here. Microsoft, this is completely fail. But the way I'm certified Microsoft developer,
Okay.
But this is absolutely fail. Even just gift card, this is already include some racist things inside. So my grandpa, it was very happy under this gift card. So thank you, Microsoft, for my good relative relationships.
Nice. So you think so Bing is using ChatGPT, right?
No, because
really.
even if they will say what they using,
Right.
this result what they use, it's actually much more easier. Will be just connect to ChatGPT and say this is our AI.
Exactly.
Yes, because result very limited currently, and result absolutely don't have any filters. But
Wow.
absolutely, you can really like asking from Bing, please create for me like acceptance thank you letter, for example. And this letter will be have and sexism and racism and everything in the super small format, because a big format is not allowed. So for me, Bing it's absolutely not workable schema.
Yes.
Even if I ask like generate names, well, this is very easy, generate names, because generate names, this is very like small task for the AI, because basically this is easy access on the internet site, and it's very stricted. And I can say like, give me like, for example, of German name. No, this is still will be regular names. He cannot even do this. Maybe Microsoft will fix it in the future.
Yes.
But currently, AI, what actually not AI, what actually like behavior system inside the game, would actually select yes, no. So this is much more better works than this Bing.
Yeah, thanks for saying that. I use Google Bard a lot. Google Bard, BARD, and also ChatGPT. Google, they're coming back really strong, you know, because ChatGPT started all this, and Google also, they have a lot of experts in the AI field with the Google DeepMind, you know. So we will see. This is it's going to be very interesting with a lot of AI tools coming in. But as a CEO, I understand that so AI is helping you save money. So you don't have to hire junior developers, because you can ask the AI to do those tasks. So that means those jobs probably gonna be replaced probably. So what are some of the jobs that will be impacted by AI? Let's say the job that's gonna maybe disappear in the next 5 years if everything goes like
you know, like let's I will answer like this, that all jobs will disappear what actually have repeatable and very simple steps, and steps what actually manual. So all what you can imagine what we can automate, this is will be automated. Only two factors affect on this. This is economic of the country, because if salaries of people will be cheaper than like machines one.
Right.
Yes, like electricity, costs, and maintenance. So people will work. And also some simple and repeatable steps. It also exists inside the IT as well. And these steps will be automated, the first one. So as soon as possible, you will see how workers on the plants will be laughing from the developers. And maybe they already this do because developer every day see how they can automate this worker on the plant work. But in real, first of all, he will automate self processes and he will fire itself.
He will automate or fire himself.
Yes, so developer will fire itself, and basically the most strongest people who only can work with making this automation will stay here. But again, this is not will be a clear developer. Soon as possible, we will meet transformation when developer will be transformed to specific production line. For example, they will understand more about chemical processes, what actually happens, or physical processes for the factories. What we can talk about manual work? Yes, maybe for the West countries, it will be work very well. But for the like Middle East
Yes.
and East itself, it's not will be work because economic of country it's not very strong and
Yes.
people's salary much more cheaper than machine time. So this is it. And basically on the West, we will have a lot of jobs for the maintenance of these machines. A lot of jobs who actually will prove, because if you think that like production or assembly line working every time very well because it's controlled by computer, no, it's always need somebody to check how it works.
Yes.
And if we have some changes, we need change in here. We will have more quality and bigger content. But again, do we can automate content on specific digital version? Yes, but you will have like new needs that content needs to be just real life or getting from real life. So basically, no, it's not will be gone. So we cannot say who will be gone from the completely, yes, for on the planet from the jobs if AI will be replaced, but we can say exactly that jobs with very high risk for the health, this is need actually for all world. Even if people salaries is cheaper, but people's life it's much more bigger than how to say steel wheels belts. So and in this case, of course, these jobs will be gone, but other jobs no.